Our next honoree is a 6th grader at John Glenn Elementary School who is a very accomplished student for his young age. Sam recently participated in the Midwest Academic Talent Search, which according to Northwestern University's website offers above grade level testing for high-performing students in grades 3 through 9. This talent search approach is an extremely well-researched and respected program model in the gifted education program. Tests are intended for older students to provide a more accurate measurement of aptitude because studies show that students who score in the top 10% on school achievement tests differ widely from average students in their abilities and educational needs. In-grade achievement tests are found not only to be accurate representation of these gifted, they are accurate representation of these gifted students' potential. The Explore test, developed by ACT and normally given to students in 8th grade. Now remember that Sam is in what grade, Sam? 6th grade, right, 6th grade. This is normally given to 8th graders. Is used to determine the abilities of students in grades 3 through 6. The ACT and the SAT tests typically used for college admissions provide a more accurate picture of the mathematical and verbal reasoning abilities of students in grades 6 through 9. After students are tested, parents receive comprehensive information about how their student measures up to other gifted students. This valuable feedback helps families plan for the future. Sam's scores on the tests were found to be better than 30% of all bound seniors in all areas. Orchestra and band, in which he plays the cello and trumpet respectively. He's a member of the Honor Council for Student Council and a member of our Safety Patrol. Sam is also active in sports. He plays soccer for the Parma Travel League and also enjoys baseball and basketball. Sam is obviously a well-rounded young man who consistently achieves honor roll and has never had a late assignment during his 7 years of schooling. What an accomplishment. Sam is a remarkable young man with vast potential, and we could not be more proud of him. And I know that we have parents here, and we have teachers here, and students from John Glenn, but we'd like to also recognize, Sam, your parents, if they're here. If you could please stand. Congratulations, Sam. I was going to say, if you didn't have any parents stand, I would definitely adopt you. Congratulations, Sam, for your achievements, and we look forward to more great things to happen in your future. And I do have a certificate for you as well, on behalf of myself and the Board of Education.